Welcome to the tutorial on adjusting aperture and ISO settings on your Nikon D750. This will enhance your photography skills. Let's get started. Begin by switching your camera to manual mode. This grants you complete creative control over your camera settings. Activate Live View. Locate the aperture dial positioned on the top of your camera. Rotate it to modify the aperture setting. Rotate the dial to the right to increase the f number, or to the left to decrease it. By adjusting the aperture, you regulate the size of the opening in the lens, influencing both the depth of field and the amount of light entering the camera. Extend your understanding beyond aperture by exploring ISO settings. Hold down the ISO button located on the front of your camera. Simultaneously, rotate the command dial to the right to elevate the ISO sensitivity, or to the left to reduce it. Increasing the ISO sensitivity makes the camera's sensor more responsive to light, while decreasing it reduces sensitivity. Mastery of ISO settings empowers you to adapt to various lighting conditions and achieve optimal exposure in your photographs.